see through your windows and stuff. Didn't you give me a ride yesterday?
Yesterday. No, not yesterday. I don't work on Wednesdays. How you doing?
Good, man. I like these lights on me.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Doing that to my Jeep.
You're doing it to your Jeep, or you've done it?
No, I'm building the Jeep right now.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Putting underbody lights and inside lights. Yes,
Cool.
you can put them on whatever color you want. So I see yours change.
Yeah, you can still set it. It has different settings and stuff on it.
That comes a working girl.
So how's your day been?
Pretty damn good.
Awesome.
Except for fighting a cold.
Ah, that sucks.
Worse than the summer cold.
I don't know.
$1,500 stolen from me by 2 hookers last night.
What the hell?
You know, shit, man. Yeah, they'll go to jail. I got the one girl's fucking phone number. She made a really bad mistake.
Jeez.
Both got the shit fucked out of them. One girl won't walk. Shit, what's the word? She won't shit right for a week.
Oh my god.
That's a bad Santa. Or bad Santa. Yeah, little hustler girls. They work as, there's 3 of them. There's the big lesbian that runs and tells them what to do, and they do anything she says. And man, she's got a good scheme, man.
And they just they rob you. Huh.
I had her titties out at the bar. It must be not that strict.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess certain situations or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, she said I could get her in trouble. I said I don't give a fuck. They did have cameras everywhere though.
I was gonna make a little U-turn right there for you. All right, Tommy. Enjoy the rest of your night. All right, man.
You get a 5 for me.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.